Anand, my colleague, is with us from the spot in question right now to give us more details. Anand, what are you seeing at this point in time? Is this a vision of the opposition uniting and finding a cause that perhaps they can fight for? We'll have Anand join us momentarily, but Rahul Gandhi also went on to say that the students are not alone and the opposition stands and is backing their demands as well. They earlier had to visit India Gate, but their bus was blocked, is what we are learning. The Congress, along with the CJP, has been asking for the resignation of Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan. They were also, the Gandhi family members were also detained a couple of days ago outside of Prime Minister Modi's house. And the demands are still on, is what Kumari Selja, Congress Member of Parliament, also said. Anand is back with us. Anand, Rahul Gandhi at the Gandhi Smriti at this point in time, the opposition seems united and having a goal here. They all support the Congress, I beg your pardon, the Cockroach Janata Party in their demands for the resignation of the Education Minister, Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan.
Yeah, Vinit, look, leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, has now arrived at Gandhi Smriti, and in the visuals, you can see that how several of the Congress leaders, they are holding the tricolor flag of India, and they are standing in front of the Gandhi Smriti, including Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, Supriya Sule, Rajiv Shukla, then Varsa Gaikwad, and number of other opposition leaders, John Britas, Syed Nasir Hussain, they all are here, and their only demand is that the way in which the police has carried out force against the protesting students on Monday, that was July 20, when they were demanding for their accountability on the NEET paper leak issue. And now they are singing the national anthem over here at Gandhi Smriti, and you can see the live footages from here that all the Congress leaders, they are singing the national anthem over here from this Gandhi Smriti side. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, you can see in the visuals. You can see leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, and several other opposition leaders who can be seen over here. So clearly, Rahul Gandhi, through a special meeting that he had called at 6 p.m. at his residence, he has tried to give a message that the opposition is united against the government, the way in which the opposition is raising the issue of the paper leak, as they had highlighted over 152 paper leaks in last 10 years. Several of the senior veteran leaders from Congress, P. Chidambaram, Ajay Makan, they all are over here. They came in the bus along with leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, and many of the India bloc partners, they were also arrived here, and now you can hear the chants of Mahatma Gandhi, Amar Rahe, Imran Pratapgarhi. You can see in the visuals how he raised the slogan that Mahatma Gandhi, Amar Rahe. And now we will try to speak to some of the MPs who are available here. We will try to speak that what is their plan in regard to the protest. We will speak with Rahul sir. Rahul sir, will you like to speak? So Rahul Gandhi clearly saying that he won't be speaking inside Gandhi Memorial over here. Because this is the place of his martyrdom, and he won't suggest to speak over here. But there are several of the senior MPs who are available here, so we will try to speak to them, and we will try to figure out that what they have to say over here. अरे फोन कट गया है यार, अरे रुक जाओ ना, फोन कट गया है ना, कैसे ले लें, लाइव नहीं है ना।
ला 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 मैं लगाऊं इसे पकड़ कैमरा
इसकी रॉड इतनी बेकार है, 100 बार कंप्लेंट।
अच्छा आगे खास फॉर एमपी गो बैक buses how are we doing
Are we going back by buses? How is it like?
how are MP going back सर बस लगाइए आगे सर सर बस लगाइए गेट unless you want the garis to come here
अरे आपका बन
Go back to my colleague Anand, who's with us again.